Are you ready to cook for today with a drop of gold? Let's go to cook together. Drop of Gold 3 years campaign funded by EU will travel all the way to Japan and China to show you how tasteful is the Drop of Gold. PDO Sitia Greeties Corporation selects one by one the olives to create this amazing and tasteful olive oil. Let's go to show you my recipe for today. We will make chili garlic prawns because the elevate of the olive oil it will gonna give you an amazing flavor for your dish. The ingredients I will gonna be using for today is Drop of Gold olive oil, chili flakes, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, a little bit of herbs and my red prawns. Let's start. Who is hungry today to follow the recipe? Follow the steps. It's so easy and so tasteful. And using olive oil, a drop of gold olive oil, it's gonna really elevate your recipes. Follow these steps and you'll have the best chili garlic prawns you can ever have. Inspired Greek with Asian flavors. Just 5 minutes recipe as I promised you, but using Drop of Gold. It elevates my chili garlic prawns. I love the recipe for today because the pureness of the olive oil is still remain tasteful in my prawns. Enjoy is from Europe.